Welcome to Visual Vocab English. Today, let's dive into family vocabulary with a warm and fun story. Let's get started. Lily was so excited for the family reunion at her grandparents' house. She hadn't seen everyone in a long time. When she arrived, her mother and father greeted her with big hugs. Her brother and sister were already playing in the garden. Soon, her uncle, aunt, and her cousins arrived, bringing lots of food and gifts. Lily's grandparents were thrilled to see all their grandchildren together. Her little nephew made everyone laugh with his funny dance moves. It was a joyful day filled with love, laughter, and family memories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories and vocabulary. See you next time on Visual Vocab English.